What if I told you there was 2 words that could change your mental health, could change your physical reality, and could change your emotional state? What you're about to see is a typical day in my life and how I use this to keep my thoughts high frequency.
What if the journey is not linear? What if feeling worthy of being seen helps others? What if we don't need to have it all figured out before we start? What if we give ourselves the permission? All we need to do is take the next step. We get out of our own way and let the creative flow through us? What if we give ourselves permission to feel joyful? What if we already know how? What if our offering is enough? What if we give ourselves the permission to dance our own dance? What if the breath breathes us? What if all we need to do is clear out all low frequency energy and thoughts so that we can be clear channels? What if the sky is the limit?
Using the words what if in front of the opposite of what we've been thinking, it totally shifts our paradigm and our perspective. And it helps us to actually create what it is we're really wanting instead of projecting fear and worry and what we don't want. Asking what if opens us up to a more expansive reality, one in which anything is possible. Click the link below to apply for a free consultation with me to see if joining my online program, Other Side Channeling Academy, is a good fit. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.